Ukraine, a land often overlooked, but look closer. Beyond the headlines and the history, there lies a country brimming with natural wonders and cultural treasures. Discover a tapestry of beauty. From towering mountains to rolling plains, Ukraine offers a diverse landscape that captivates the soul. The Carpathian Mountains stand tall, their peaks often kissed by clouds, while the vast plains stretch out like a green ocean, inviting you to explore their depths. This is a country waiting to be explored. Each village, each path, each hidden corner tells a story. The rural areas, with their quaint charm and timeless traditions, offer a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. Ukraine's beauty is diverse. It's a land of contrasts. From the bustling cities to the serene countryside, from the modern to the ancient, every part of Ukraine has its own unique charm and character. Lush forests meet golden fields. The forests, dense and mysterious, are home to a myriad of wildlife, while the golden fields, swaying gently in the breeze, are a testament to the country's agricultural heritage. Crystal clear lakes reflect azure skies. These pristine waters, untouched and pure, mirror the vast open skies above, creating a scene of unparalleled beauty and tranquility. Ancient history whispers in every corner, from the ancient ruins of past civilizations to the grand architecture of more recent times. Ukraine's history is rich and varied, waiting to be discovered by those who seek it. This journey takes you to the heart of Ukraine. Here, in the very center of the country, you can feel the pulse of the nation, its vibrant culture, and its indomitable spirit. We'll explore its hidden gems, from secluded beaches to secret forests, from ancient castles to modern marvels. Ukraine is full of surprises waiting to be uncovered. From the heights of the Carpathians to the depths of the Dniester Canyon, prepare to be amazed. The Carpathians, with their rugged beauty, offer breathtaking views and thrilling adventures, while the Dniester Canyon, with its dramatic cliffs and winding river, is a haven for nature lovers. Come, let's uncover the unseen beauty of Ukraine. Together, we'll embark on a journey of discovery, exploring the hidden corners and uncovering the secrets of this beautiful land. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates natural beauty, Ukraine has something to offer you. So pack your bags, open your heart, and get ready to be enchanted by the wonders of Ukraine. The Carpathian Mountains, a realm of natural splendor and timeless beauty. A majestic range stretching across Ukraine's west, these mountains are a testament to nature's grandeur. These peaks are home to ancient forests, where trees have stood for centuries, witnessing the passage of time. Sparkling lakes dot the landscape, their crystal-clear waters reflecting the sky and the towering peaks around them. Imagine standing atop Lavra, Ukraine's highest peak. From this vantage point, the world seems to stretch endlessly. The air is crisp and clean, invigorating your senses and filling your lungs with the pure essence of nature. Below, a breathtaking panorama unfolds, revealing a tapestry of valleys, rivers, and forests. Rolling hills blanketed in emerald green stretch as far as the eye can see, a testament to the region's lush fertility. The Carpathians are alive with culture, where traditions are preserved and celebrated with pride. Villages nestled in the valleys with traditional wooden houses that tell stories of generations past. The air filled with the scent of pine and wood smoke. Listen closely, and you might hear the whispers of the forest. You might hear the haunting melody of the trembita, a traditional wooden horn. Its sound echoes through the mountains, a call that resonates with the soul. The trembita's sound echoes through the peaks, a reminder of the connection between the people and their land. A reminder of the rich heritage of this land, where every stone and tree has a story to tell. The Carpathians are also a sanctuary for wildlife. Bears, wolves, and lynxes roam these forests, living in harmony with nature. The flora here is diverse and vibrant, with wildflowers painting the meadows in a riot of colors. Rivers carve their way through the mountains, their waters pure and life-giving, sustaining both the land and its inhabitants. Folklore and legends are woven into the fabric of the Carpathians, with tales of mythical creatures and ancient heroes. Festivals and celebrations bring the community together, showcasing traditional music, dance, and crafts. The local cuisine is a delight, with hearty dishes that reflect the region's agricultural bounty. The hospitality of the Carpathian people is renowned, welcoming visitors with open arms and warm hearts. As the sun rises over the Carpathians, it bathes the landscape in a golden glow, a new day dawning in this timeless land. And as the sun sets, the mountains are cloaked in a serene twilight, A perfect end to a day in the Carpathians. Under the night sky, the stars shine brightly, a reminder of the vastness and beauty of the universe. A journey through the Carpathians is a journey through time, nature, and culture, an experience that stays with you forever. The Dniester River, flowing through western Ukraine. This majestic river has been a lifeline for the region for centuries, providing water, sustenance, and a means of transport for countless generations. Its waters have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, and its banks have been home to diverse cultures and communities. It carves a path through time, creating the Dniester Canyon, a natural wonder. Over millennia, the river has sculpted the landscape, etching deep canyons and valleys into the earth. The Dniester Canyon stands as a testament to the relentless power of nature, a breathtaking formation that draws visitors from around the world. Stand on the canyon's edge. Feel the wind on your face as you take in the panoramic views. The sheer scale of the canyon is awe-inspiring, with its towering cliffs and expansive vistas. It's a place where you can truly appreciate the grandeur of the natural world. Gaze down at the ribbon of emerald green. The river below winds its way through the valley, a vibrant contrast to the rugged terrain. The lush greenery along its banks is a haven for wildlife, providing a rich habitat for countless species. The river winds its way through the valley. Its meandering course is a reminder of the slow, steady force of nature. Each bend and curve tells a story of erosion and deposition, of the river's journey from its source to the sea. Sheer cliffs rise on either side. These towering walls of rock are a geological marvel, formed over millions of years. They provide a dramatic backdrop to the serene river below, creating a landscape of stark contrasts and stunning beauty. The Dniester Canyon is a haven for wildlife. Birds soar overhead. Their calls echo through the canyon, adding to the symphony of nature. The area is home to a diverse array of bird species, from majestic raptors to colorful songbirds. Fish leap in the clear water. The river is teeming with life, its crystal-clear waters providing a perfect environment for fish and other aquatic creatures. Watching the fish jump is a reminder of the river's vitality and the delicate balance of its ecosystem. The air hums with the sounds of nature. The rustling of leaves, the chirping of insects, and the gentle murmur of the river create a soothing soundtrack. It's a place where you can escape the noise of the modern world and reconnect with the natural rhythms of life. This is a place of peace and tranquility. The canyon offers a refuge from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, a place where you can find solace and serenity. Whether you're hiking along its trails or simply sitting by the river, the Dniester Canyon provides a perfect setting for reflection and relaxation. Hike along the canyon's rim, explore hidden caves, discover ancient ruins. The canyon is a treasure trove of history and adventure, with countless opportunities for exploration. Each step along its trails reveals new wonders, from the remnants of ancient civilizations to the natural beauty of its landscapes. The Dniester Canyon is a journey back in time. As you explore its depths, you can't help but feel a connection to the past. The canyon's rich history is etched into its rocks and landscapes, telling the story of the people and events that have shaped this remarkable place. It's a journey that leaves you with a deeper appreciation for the power and beauty of nature. The Ascania Nova Biosphere Reserve, a vast expanse of steppe, untouched by human hands. Here, nature reigns supreme. Imagine a sea of golden grass, stretching as far as the eye can see. Herds of wild horses gallop across the plains. Birds of prey circle overhead. This is a place where you can experience true wilderness, witness the cycle of life and death, feel the power of nature. Ascania Nova is a reminder of the importance of conservation, of protecting our planet's wild spaces for generations to come. Deep in the countryside, there's a railway track overtaken by nature. This is the Tunnel of Love, a green archway created by trees intertwined. Walk hand in hand with your loved one beneath the canopy of leaves, where sunlight filters through the branches, creating a dappled effect. Legend has it, couples who kiss in the tunnel will have their love blessed. Whether you believe it or not, the Tunnel of Love is a magical place. In Kamianets-Podilsky, a city steeped in history, the landscape is dominated by its fortress, a towering structure perched on a rocky outcrop. The fortress walls, built over centuries, have witnessed countless battles and the rise and fall of empires. Step inside the fortress gates, travel back in time, explore the courtyards and towers. Imagine the clash of swords, the thunder of cannons. Today the fortress stands proud, a symbol of Ukrainian resilience, a reminder of the country's rich past. In Uman, Ukraine, lies Sofievsky Park, a masterpiece of landscape design and a harmonious blend of nature and art. Stroll through the park's winding paths, discover hidden grottos, admire cascading waterfalls. Each turn reveals a new vista. The park is dotted with sculptures inspired by Greek mythology. Bridges cross babbling brooks, benches invite quiet contemplation. Sofievsky Park is a testament to the power of human creativity, a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature and art. Believe it or not, Ukraine has a desert, the Oleshki Sands, a vast expanse of dunes stretching for miles. The sand shimmers under the sun and wind creates ripples on the surface. It's like stepping into another world, but even here, life finds a way. Hardy plants cling to the dunes, insects scurry across the sand. The Oleshki Sands, a testament to nature's resilience. Northern Ukraine is home to the Shatsky National Natural Park, a land of sparkling lakes interconnected by rivers and canals, surrounded by dense forests. Imagine paddling across a crystal-clear lake, surrounded by the sounds of nature. Birdsong fills the air, fish leap from the water. The park is home to a variety of wildlife. Beavers build dams in the rivers, deer graze in the forests, birds of prey soar overhead. This is a place to escape, to reconnect with nature, to find peace and tranquility. This is just a glimpse of Ukraine's unseen beauty. There are countless other places to discover, from the chalk cliffs of the Donbass to the sunflower fields that stretch as far as the eye can see. Ukraine's beauty is waiting to be explored. So pack your bags, book your tickets, and prepare to be amazed. Ukraine is a land of contrasts, of hidden gems and breathtaking beauty. It's a country that will surprise you with its rich culture, history, and natural wonders. What other hidden treasures does Ukraine hold? Share your thoughts. Let's continue to explore this fascinating country together. And remember, adventure awaits. Go out and find it.